Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome once again to Forex Success. So, guys, this is boom 1000 index. As you can see at this point, we just got a spike. Yeah, you can see at this point we got a spike. Using our amazing strategy that when the red moving average cross below the green line at the oversold level, it indicates a spike. And look, we got a spike just in. So let me okay, I'll make it the light mode so you can see it clearly. Yeah, so guys, this is it. Once the red moving average cross below the green line, it gives a spike. Using the strategy, I'll show you how the strategy works, guys. So again, at this point, it crosses below, it gives a spike. You can see just once the condition is met, which is the red moving average crossing below the green line at the oversold level, it indicates a spike. It works for both crash and boom. So let me show you how you can set this amazing strategy. Just 3 indicators needed, so I'm gonna delete these now: the commodity channel index and the market facilitation index. Okay, good. So guys, the first indicator you need is the commodity channel index. Yeah, you can see set the period on period 14, apply to typical price, then the levels -100 and +100, just as you see on my screen. You click done. So this is the commodity channel index that we just added. Then the next indicator you will need is a moving average, which you set on period 10, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close, the levels 0 star red, make it 4 pixel, you save and done. This is the red moving average. Then the last indicator is the market facilitation index, which you select the volume tick, then all the MFIs, set it as you see on my screen. The MFI up for the volume up, you make it green. The MFI down for the volume down, black. MFI up for volume down, black. And MFI down for volume up, green. You click done. You can see the indicators are set for this strategy. So what you need to watch out for, boom, this is a spike catching strategy. Remember, guys, the zoom level is the third zoom level, and the time frame is 1 minute time frame. Yeah, 1 minute time frame, third zoom level. Wait for the red moving average to cross below the green line at the oversold level, which is below this 100 level. This is for boom. Below this 100 level, you place a buy to catch a spike. That is what I said, guys, and that's how the strategy works. Like I said, 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, third zoom level. Okay, so let's check it out on boom 500 for more confirmations. You can see at this point the red moving average crossed below this green line. It made a spike to the upside, came down. You can see as it crossed below, it gives a spike. Once the condition is met, guys, you get the result. Just obey the conditions of the strategy, the rules of the strategy. The red moving average crossed below, and then it gave a spike, which give us the spike. Yeah, as far as the condition is met. So the same way it works for crash, just that for crash you have to watch out for sell, since it crashed to the downside, unlike boom that crashed to the upside. So you watch out for the red moving average crossing the green line above this 100 level. You can see above the 100 level, you get a spike. Simple strategy, guys. Very simple strategies. A very simple strategy, guys. Yes, this is Forex Success. We give you all the strategy you need for crash and boom. So guys, we'll be coming up with another strategy very soon. So make sure you turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when we drop a new strategy. Of course, when we drop a new strategy, you'll be notified, guys. I'm coming up with a new strategy for crash and boom. A new strategy for crash and boom. Yeah. These return trend lines. Okay, you can see the strategy, guys. It works. It cross above, it spikes. You make your money like that. Cross above again at this point, it spikes. You get a black bar, another spike. Guys, this strategy is powerful. I'm looking for an entry, like I always do. I always make example, trade it live so you see how it works. So for crash 500 in there's no condition, there's no any good entry right now, but you can see previous places where the market works, where the strategy works. Look, cross above, it spikes, and above again, it spikes. This is the strategy, guys, for crash and boom index. So guys, if you want to open an account to start trading Deriv, click on the link at the description below. And if you want to start trading currency pairs, click on the link at the description below also for currency pairs, which are like FBS and Octa FX. Good deposit method. Start making money, guys. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching Forex Success. We are back, guys. We are fully back to bring to you